everyone! Are you looking to boost your health in a simple and natural way? Today, I'm going to tell you why you need to add ginger to your diet. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be heading straight to your kitchen. First off, let's talk about what makes ginger so special. This powerful root is packed with nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. But the real star here is gingerol. Gingerol is the natural oil in ginger that gives it that distinct taste and smell. More importantly, gingerol has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That means ginger can help fight off inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Pretty cool, right? Now let's dive into some of the health benefits. If you suffer from osteoarthritis, ginger might be your new best friend. Studies show that ginger can help reduce pain and stiffness over time. And if you're dealing with menstrual cramps, listen up. Ginger can be as effective as over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen. That's right, ladies, a natural remedy that actually works. But how do you add ginger to your diet? It's easier than you think. Fresh ginger can be sliced, diced, or shredded to enhance the flavor of your dishes. You can also find ginger in dried, powdered, oil, or juice forms. Just remember, fresh ginger has the highest concentration of gingerol. And here's a little tip for you. To make your ginger last longer, store unpeeled ginger in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. For even longer storage, peel and freeze the ginger root. When substituting fresh ginger with powdered ginger, use 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger for every teaspoon of fresh ginger. This is great for baking and adding a spicy kick to your favorite treats. Now, let's talk about the right balance. While ginger is generally safe, experts suggest limiting your intake to 3 to 4 grams per day. Pregnant women should reduce this to 1 gram daily. Consuming too much ginger can lead to digestive discomforts like reflux and heartburn, so moderation is key. To put it into perspective, 1 gram of ginger is roughly equivalent to a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger or 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. And always remember, ginger should complement your diet, not replace prescribed medications. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes. So, are you ready to add ginger to your diet and reap its amazing benefits? Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.